Hey everyone, the project here is to go ahead and repair this kitchen sink spray head. Initially the rubber button came off and now the whole mechanism inside is hosed up here. So I only have the regular sink action. I can't convert it over to spray. The whole mechanism is broken. I initially thought I was going to have to replace the whole sink assembly here. And then I was trying to say, well, what do I need to do? And actually found, this is pretty dirty here, it can actually be unscrewed here from this extension hose. So this spray head can be removed and actually replaced. Thing is, I tried to take a look and find out what brand the sink was. I was able actually to make out a very faint etching here, Glacier Bay. Glacier Bay is owned by Home Depot, and it's very hard to find a replacement for this particular unit here. When you unscrew it, one thing you'll see is that, you know, the screw threads are female. It goes inward. Most of the replacement spray heads I found online all had the screw part came out or was male threaded. I'm sure there are adapters out there, but what I was able to find was this universal spray head. It's not the same exact shape, but it's similar enough. Found this online. It indicates that it replaces most original equipment manufacturer brands, including Delta, Moen, Glacier Bay, Aquasource, Kohler, Price Pfister, and so forth. And it comes with a series of adapters. It's a 2-position spray head, and I think it'll serve the purpose. It'll prevent me from needing to replace the entire sink assembly, and this should give me the desirable result. And then I can go ahead and toss this one in the trash. So we're going to go ahead and open up this replacement package. Here we go. This should be an adequate replacement for the existing. Notice the thread goes inward, just what we need. Here there are different thread adapters, simply not needed in this application, but designed to fit different types of sink arrangements with the extension hose. Just simply going to go ahead and thread this on here. I'm not going to use any Teflon tape. Let's see if it does. There is a rubber gasket, an O-ring around here. You might want to use Teflon tape just as an added measure, waterproofing. Go ahead and screw it on here. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Alright, we've already demonstrated that hand tightening it is not going to work. It's going to require some kind of a seal here. So I'm going to put some Teflon tape around the threads. I'm going to go around a few times to hopefully provide enough seal around the threads. And I'm not a plumber. Don't do this at home. All right, here we go. right, I'm still getting a leak there. I'm going to use a